Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the blog. Today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber side skirts. Well, there's little small side skirts that will be going on the E46. As we see right here, they're not the entire whole side skirts, just one little small piece. We're going to see how that looks once installed. Hopefully they look good. So let's do it. Also, guys, let me know if you guys are interested on seeing more content on this car. It's 89 325 IS that I'm currently fixing. I haven't done a lot, but if you guys are interested on more content on this car, let me know. We can start shooting some videos on it. Yeah, and start doing some installs. Alright, guys, it's installed. Let's see how they look when we drop the car. I don't know. This one doesn't. No, it'll look good. Alright. This is a better look with the dual exhaust I did here. You guys want to take a look, ask questions. That's pretty much what I did. I do plan on putting a better one in here, performance one wise, but yep. Okay. Excuse the car being dirty, just a little bit of dirtiness on it. I haven't washed it.